This is a video for students about getting started with Google Drive. So now all students in district have a Google account, which gives them access to both Google Drive and Google Classroom. So in order to log into the Google Drive account, the student needs to open a window using Chrome, the Chrome browser, and go to this address, drive.google.com. Or if you just go to google.com, you'll see most likely a waffle over here. If you click on the waffle and come down to Drive, you can access it that way as well. But either way, it'll take you to a login screen like this. The student needs to put in her username, which is her first name dot last name at northport.k12.ny.us, and click on Next. Student puts in her password. Now this password would be set at school. Click Sign In, and it takes the student to the root of her Google Drive. Now if the student or one of the student's teachers is using Google Classroom, then she may see a folder called Classroom right here in the root of the drive. But if not, you won't even see this folder. You'll see nothing here. Maybe a document that says Getting Started, which you can go through if you'd like to take a little tour of Google Drive. But for the most part, there's nothing in the drive yet. But it's easy to store things in here, to work in here. And the great thing about Google Drive with our district accounts is that our storage is unlimited. So we can store as many documents as we want to on our Google Drive. If I want to move a document in here, I'm going to take this Microsoft Word document right here from my desktop, but you could take it from your network drive or a flash drive and just click, hold, and drop it into the drive. It takes a moment or two. And now it's uploaded. It tells me right here that it's complete. And it's in Microsoft Word format. Now I know that because I know it was Word before I put it in, but I also know because it's got the big blue W here and it's got .doc at the end. Now if I bring this home and I want to keep working in Microsoft Word, I would need to download it to my computer. So I can do that by right-clicking and going to Download. Okay, it's going to ask me where I want to put it, so I'll just give it a name. We'll call it version number 3. I'm going to put it on the desktop and I hit save. So now it is saved in Microsoft Word version on my desktop and I could work on it there. However, Google Drive also has its own version of a word processing program called Google Docs, and sometimes it's preferable to work in and stay in that version. So you can easily convert Microsoft Word documents into Google Docs. You do that by, again, right-clicking on it and telling it to open with Google Docs. It will take a moment, but it will convert that Word document into a Google Docs document, and I can go ahead and edit it using Google Docs. It's got many of the same tools as Microsoft Word has, but I can do anything I want with this word processing document. Changes are automatically saved. You don't have to go to a File Save menu. So it's a very nice way to work in any environment, in any location, if you just convert them to a Google Doc. Let me close this, back on the drive again. Now you'll notice, let me refresh the screen. Since I did that, I'm going to see two versions. So here is my Google Doc version, and here's my Microsoft Word version. So if I'm going to stay in Google Docs and work in Google Docs, I can actually get rid of this. So I can take this and put it in the trash, and now I've got my Google Docs version here. I can open it up, I can work on it, I can use it with Google Classroom. So anywhere I have internet access, I can access my Google Drive. If I'm done with the document, I can go ahead and drop it in here in the trash. So Google Drive is available to everyone, unlimited storage. Go ahead and give it a try.